Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Hope you are doing pretty well. Yes, today I want to share with you guys this super useful information about unripe plantain, how to prepare unripe plantain pap. This is super healthy and very nutritional. Okay, you must enjoy this video. Sit back and enjoy it. Oh yes, my lovely people, before we proceed or before we go into preparation of unripe plantain pap, let me quickly list out some of the super amazing benefits of unripe or green plantain. Okay, let's go there. Right now I want to peel the unripe plantain. Yes, I'm done peeling my unripe plantain. I have just 5 pieces. Right now what I need to do is to cut them in cubes, or you can cut them so as to enable you blend it. This way I'm cutting mine. Just very simple. cutting it. Now I have to blend the unripe plantain. Right now it's time for me to blend the unripe plantain. Okay, add my water. This water is not enough. I'm gonna add more water. Look at the level where I added my water. You add the water to the level of the unripe plantain. Start to blend. Yes guys, this is my blended unripe plantain. Okay, this is how it looks. Yes, right now I'm going to measure the quantity that I want to use for my breakfast. Okay, this is the quantity that I needed to use for my breakfast. Right now I'm going to pour water inside the cooking pot. I'm going to boil the water. Right now my water is boiled. I have to add the unripe plantain paste and stir. Now reduce the volume. Lower the heat to avoid lumps. Continue stirring to avoid lumps. Stir it continuously to avoid lumps. Look at it. It's getting done already. It's brownish in color already. Look at the paste. This is what we call plantain, unripe plantain pap. I just cooked it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, my unripe plantain pap is done. It's ready to be served, and I off the light. Right now this is my unripe plantain pap ready to be consumed. You can add any preferred sweetener, either honey, sugar, or milk, but I prefer adding milk. I do not use sugar or honey, but honey is good for children, in case you want to serve your children or your kids. Okay, this is ready to be consumed. This is my remaining paste, unripe plantain paste. I preserve it inside my fridge. I pour it inside a bowl and preserve it inside my fridge for next day. Okay. Yes, my people, if you have been a long time subscriber to this channel, I love you guys. God bless you for coming by again and again to watch my videos. Okay, if this is your first time passing by, don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to be notified as I post a new video, and don't forget to like this video. Please share with your friends, because this information is very useful. It's very nutritional, and it might be helpful for so many people that are in need of it out there. Okay, please I love you guys. God bless you. Don't forget to leave your comments under the comment section below and click on the notification bell to be notified as I post a new video.